25.
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Go Centaur.
Go Osiris Rex.
Everyone is go. Standing by for launch. After liftoff, you'll hear the voice of United Launch Alliance's Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle ascent data. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff of Osiris Rex. Its 7-year mission to boldly go to the asteroid Bennu and back.
Fire rates look good. Pump speeds and injector pressures are within family. Read chamber pressures have plateaued, begun to ramp off.
Heard the voice of Marty Malinowski. The Atlas has begun a pitch and yaw maneuver to steer to its planned path, 28.5 degrees inclination from the equator.
SRB chamber pressure is almost plateaued at this point. RD 180 injector pressures look good.
45 seconds into flight.
Roll program is complete. Boosters throttled down.
And the Atlas rocket carrying Osiris Rex has gone supersonic. Standing by to pass through max Q, maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Max Q, vehicle body rates continue to look good.
This is the point when the mechanical stress on the rocket reaches its peak because of the rocket's velocity and resistance created by the Earth's atmosphere.
Signatures look good. Current altitude is 14 miles. Downrange distance is 9 miles. Current velocity 2,488 miles per hour. Range track shows vehicle progressing down the middle of the range.
In about 30 seconds, the single solid rocket booster will be jettisoned at 2 minutes 19 seconds.
And booster has throttled back down. It's now 50% of its liftoff weight. Next major event will be SRB jettison, coming up momentarily.
And you see the solid rocket booster jettison.
Solid. Separation looks good. Vehicle has enabled closed loop Q alpha steering.
RD-180 engine continues powering the Atlas, Centaur, and Osiris Rex into space. Next major milestone will be booster engine cutoff. 4 minutes and 2 seconds into flight.
Valve has been fired. That system is now pressurizing to flight levels. Signatures look good. Current altitude 40 miles. Downrange distance 75 miles. Current velocity 5,988 miles per hour. Range track looks good.
About 1 minute away from Atlas booster engine cutoff.
Already went to burn well. Pump speeds, injector pressures within band. Vehicle body rates look good. Vehicle is now 1/4 of its liftoff weight. Coming up on our 5G throttle segment momentarily. And we have begun throttling to maintain 5Gs. Signatures look good. Boost phase cooldown is underway. And begun to throttle to 4.6 Gs in preparation for BECO. Boost phase cooldown is complete. And we hit BECO. Engine shutdown looks good.
Booster engine cutoff confirmed. Standing by after spacecraft separation for the Centaur single RL-10C engine to ignite.
We have ignition and full thrust on the RL-10. Coming up on payload for jettison.
Everything continuing normally. The Centaur engine producing 22,900 pounds of thrust, and it will burn for just over 8 minutes.
Centaur body rates look very good. Steering has been enabled.
And the payload fairing, which was covering OSIRIS-REx, was jettisoned. Everything continuing on the timeline.
Current altitude for Centaur is 101 miles. Downrange distance is 471 miles. Current velocity 12,589 miles per hour. We do have a report from the booster performance, and it is basically nominal.